And the shutdown's also impacting what we know about the state of economy at the same time. There's a key report on inflation that was due for release today, but delayed. And these numbers do impact everything from Social Security to interest rates. NewsNation's Brooke Shafer joins us now. So, Brooke, just how critical is the consumer price index, as well as some of these other delayed reports we've been talking about?
Well, Kelly, Wall Street and economists, they not only rely on these monthly reports like the jobs numbers or the CPI report, but they also look at other daily federal data to really help them understand market trends. But of course, with the government still shut down, those reports are delayed for now. The consumer price index, key to inflation measures, as you said, that was supposed to come out today. Now that report has been pushed to next Friday, the 24th. The Bureau of Labor Statistics even had to call in some furloughed employees to help put the CPI together. And it's vital because this month's report will determine the Social Security cost of living adjustments for next year. But that critical report and so many others now delayed or on hold, and it has some investors, in a sense, flying blind.
So what's happening is people who make a living based upon, trading stocks or bonds that rely on that kind of data for them to make their decisions. What they're doing is they're looking at sort of those adjacent reports and trying to glean what that could tell you about the report that they didn't get. If this goes on longer than a month, then the entire investing community is going to be operating for an unusually long period of time with that information.
And economists tell us another downside is the stock market's going to behave a little bit differently with this lack of information, and it may overreact to whatever limited data does trickle out. When these reports eventually do return, the markets and these investors will have to digest it pretty quickly. Kelly?
Yeah, quick turnaround expected there. So, Brooke, with so many delayed reports now, how is this expected to affect the Fed, also their interest rate decisions?
Well, Kelly, the Fed is expected to lower interest rates when they meet later this month. But if the government doesn't open before their meeting in a couple of weeks and they don't have this data that they need, there is a chance they could postpone that decision. And of course, if interest rates don't come down, it could mean another hit for the economy. Kelly?
Yeah, let's hope for some movement here soon. All right, Brooke, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.